Hi guys, so one thing we have realized at Cal over the last few years is that for a lot of our retail investors and a lot of Sri Lanka's retail investors overall, there is very little opportunity to learn about the stock market and understand how the stock market works before they put their hard-earned money into the market. Which is why, to solve that problem, we have developed at Cal our very own virtual stock simulator, which will allow new investors and Sri Lanka's retail investors to first understand the market and play around with virtual money before they then invest their hard-earned savings into the stock market. So this is a little bit about how it works.
Okay, so you can log into our Cal Online portal through cal.lk or our mobile app Cal Online, which is both available on iOS and Android. So you can find it online, and then when you do log into the VStock portal, what the first you'll be able to do is select 5 stocks. You are allocated a virtual 1 million rupees, and you can pick 5 stocks of your choosing. You can do your own research or use our Cal analytical platform to even do your own research and figure out what you would potentially invest in the next coming week. So you will pick 5 stocks. Let me just type in So after you select the 5 stocks, you can clearly see the latest, the last traded price of those stocks here as well. You can click next, confirm your selection, and then you can decide on the allocation ratio of your 1 million across these 5 stocks. So for the purpose of the demo, I'll just keep it simple. I'll just keep it evenly distributed. So based on the strategy you want to execute, you can decide on what kind of ratio you want to divide the stocks between the 1 million rupees. So here it really shows the price you have picked at, the quantity of the shares you will be allocated based on the ratio, and the value of those particular stocks which you are going to virtually invest in. So you can also get a daily email alert on your performance, on how you do based on the market performance. So you just need to click confirm, and yes, I would like to get the alert, and then your stock allocation is here clearly shown.
And what this will help you do is it will then help you track the market, see how your stocks are performing, see whether you have beaten the market. Not only that, you can also play against your friends who can also join the platform. We have a weekly leaderboard, and every week you can change your stock selection depending on how the market moves. So we hope that by using this platform, you can understand the market, you can learn about the market before you actually invest your real money into the market.
So the leaderboard also gives you a good insight on what stocks are doing well and what stocks are not doing well as well. So you can see how the leaders of the leaderboard, what stocks or the stocks that have contributed to their gains, what they have selected. So this gives a good indication of what's actually working for them and what's not. You can also analyze your own performance. You can go and see how on a weekly basis, there you go. So how you have performed on a weekly basis as well. We'll be introducing more statistics here as well, so that you can closely analyze how well you are picking stocks as well.
I urge you to sign up on our portal, play the VStock game, encourage your friends to play the VStock game as well, and get to really learn and understand how equity markets work before risking your hard-earned savings in them.